Welcome to Craven Community College. We value your decision to join us, and our admissions team is here to make your journey as seamless as possible. If you need help exploring our wide range of programs, connect with one of our academic advisors. They'll help you discover the pathway that excites you so you can move forward with confidence. We understand that the welcome requirements can be daunting. We're here to provide step-by-step guidance to make it as simple and clear as you transition to becoming a Craven student. Step 1. Determine your North Carolina residency. This helps set your tuition rate. Start by completing the NC Residency Survey at ncresidency.org. You'll log in with your CFNC username and password. If you're new, just create an account. Be sure your information is accurate. It becomes a part of your official student file. And remember, always use a personal email, not a school one. When logging in, have your social security number and driver license handy. If you're a dependent, you'll also need the same info for a parent or guardian. Using military benefits, make sure to indicate that too. Once finished, you'll receive a residency certification number right away. You can return to ncresidency.org at any time to check your status. Step 2. Apply through cfnc.org using the same login. Search for Craven Community College, then select the undergraduate application. As you complete each section, you'll see a check mark appear. Once all sections are finished, just hit submit. Step 3. Submit your official high school transcript or equivalent. Schools can send it electronically through CFNC, or you can mail or hand deliver a sealed copy to your admissions office. If you've attended another college, be sure to request those transcripts too. Your application will be processed within 1 to 2 business days. Watch your email for updates, including spam. This is how you'll receive your student account information and any next steps. Get started today by visiting us at CravenCC.edu/admissions. We can't wait for you to join us as a proud Craven Panther.